Hey guys, this is Chris over here at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. It's a gorgeous day out again today. We're having awesome weather here in Northern Virginia. I just want to let you guys know that we're having some great sales on all of our Miele vacuums. So if you guys are in the market to get a new Miele, we're having a little bit of a sale. And just to let you guys know, for those who don't know, that the HX2 is now released. It's been out now for a few weeks. It has some really nice features on the HX2. They have the HX2 standard, they have the HX2 cat and dog, they have the HX2 Pro. So they have a lot of different HX2s that come with different warranties, tools, attachments. We have all of them here. We still carry the HX1s as well too. So if you're looking for a really good cordless vacuum that has functionality, reliability, performance, quality, and the battery actually lasts longer than most of those Dysons out there, the HX2 is a very good machine. It has one of the top cleaning capabilities. They really redid it and made a phenomenal cordless vacuum. So if you're in the market for a Miele and a cordless vacuum, this is the one for you. Check out the HX2 exclusively here at Miele, at AceVacuums here in Leesburg. We also have our store in Fairfax. They have a lot of nice features. The cat and dog, the Pro, they all have headlights on them. You know, they're the 3-in-1, so you can make a stick vacuum, an upright vacuum, as well as a handheld vacuum. They have excellent filtration, an excellent motor with the Vortex technology. So if you guys have any questions, you can call us here at 703-997-9292 or check us out at acevacuums.com and see a list of all the stuff that we carry. Thank you guys for supporting local. Don't forget, we have the home show coming up in 2 weeks, so come check us out. Thanks, guys.